He's in the out!
Hey, what's your name? Guy, what's your name?
Joey.
Joey. Okay, my name's Daisy. I'm with S.H.I.E.L.D. We're here for your protection.
There's more on the way. First unit's down or wetting themselves. That is if you got the point across.
Joey? Joey, stay with me, okay? I know you're scared and your world's being turned upside down, but believe it or not, I've been through this, okay? I can help.
We'll get you out of here.
It's you who made the car and the people in the city.
You're gonna want to stand one clear of that, mate.
Didn't I tell you?
I know, it's a lot to take in, but right now you have very few options and zero time, so please just go with it.
We'll be right there with you. It's not like this day can get any crazier, right?
Right? I take that back!
Critical hazard, mask on! Right here, what the hell happened? We're going!
How you holding up in there, buddy?
Fine, I guess. I hope this is going somewhere other than higher.
Rest easy. We're almost there.